family, let me welcome you to this platform. If today is your first time watching my video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest updates. Like, share, and then leave your comment under the comment section. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it under the comment section, and I will humbly answer you. I always answer each and every question that stream into my inbox because it is for your understanding that I am teaching. Today I'm here to let you know how you can use onion to make someone fall deeply in love with you. That is onion banding love spell. Yes, we are going to use onion and red thread to do banding spell. It is very strong and powerful. It makes you get the person that you love, and it binds someone to your heart. If there is this guy or this girl that you want to bind to your heart, you can do this and you are going to get a person. It's no joke, it works like magic. Yes, super powerful. The purpose for doing this banding love spell is to band two lovers together. That is both emotionally and then spiritually. That is what it does. And the items or the materials needed for this banding love spell are: you get one red onion. Yes, you need one red onion. Then you get a red thread or red wool. When I say wool, it could be I hope you know what I mean. You have cotton wool. Anything that is red like thread, you need that one. Then you need a paper. The paper, you need a white sheet of paper. And then pen. The pen or marker should be red. Yes, you need red pen or red marker. And you need small container or bowl. The principal thing is also the name of your partner and your name or the full picture of your partner. Yes, you have to get the full name of your partner or the full picture of your partner. Let me quickly, re-mention the names or the items needed. You need one red, onion, and then number two, you need a red thread. Number three, you need a white sheet of paper and a pen. The pen, it could be red pen or red marker. Then number four, you need the small container or bowl. Number five, that is the last but not the least, you need the full name of your partner or full picture of your partner. After you have gotten all these materials, this is what you are going to do. I mean, the procedure or the steps that you follow to conduct this, powerful banding spell. You will first write both names, that is your name and the name of your lover, on the small sheet of white paper. Yes, you write your name and the name of the person that you want to fall in love with you, that is your partner, on the small white sheet of paper. And then second, you cut the onion in half. Yes, when I say cut the onion in half, I mean you cut it but not to the fullest, and place the paper between the two halves. You place the paper in between because you have cut the onion but not to the fullest. You just cut it in half, so you place the paper in between. And third, you rejoin the onion, that is the halves, tightly and wrap them with the red thread. So you just you place the onion, the half onion, the onion that you have cut into half, you place them together so that it can touch the paper which has been put inside the onion. Then you cover it with the red thread, that is, you start tying it with the red thread. And then the fourth one, while you wrap it, you say your heart desire. Yes, so while you wrap it, this is what you are going to say when you are tying the onion with the red thread. You will say, as this thread binds this onion, so is our love bound. No distance, no voice, no evil shall break it. Yes, we say that with a great belief, with a high faith. You don't say it just like that. You have to believe that it is going to work for you. You have to believe that whatever you are doing is real and that you are going to get a positive result. Number 5. Then place the wrapped onion in a container and hide it in a cool or dark place, like under your bed or even in a closet. Number 6. This is what you would do. Leave it there for 7 days. Then bury it under a tree or flower pot as an offering to the spirit of love. If you leave it there for 7 days, after 7 days, you bury it under a tree or flower pot as an offering to the spirit of love. Yes, the spirit of love will just take over from there. This is a very powerful love spell. So when you bury it, you are done. Now what you are going to do is you are going to wait for your positive result. But you have to have faith. As I always say, faith or belief is the currency that you use to purchase something from the spiritual world, or that you use to get something from the spiritual world. So if you want the nature to work in your favor, if you want the nature to do something for you, or if you put your petition before the nature, you have to have faith. You must have faith. If you don't have faith and you put your petition before the nature, it will be in vain. It is not going to manifest. Truth be told, yes, you are not going to get the result that you are looking for. The reason that you did or you have done that, you are not going to see it. And that you may say, this fair I did it, but I didn't see any result. It's because you lack faith. It's because you don't trust process. So when you are doing this, you have to trust the process, believe in the nature, believe in yourself, believe in what you have done, and you are going to get a positive result. And when you get a person that you just conducted this fair for, please treat the person with good attitude. Show good attitude towards the person. Treat the person well. Treat the person good, because karma is real. If you know that now I've just bond with this person, so I want to treat the person anyhow. In fact, karma will turn back to you, and frankly speaking, you are going to regret the result from karma. You understand? The anger from karma, you are going to regret it. Karma is what you receive when you do something or you throw something into the world. That's the law of the nature. Yes, the feedback the nature gives you. When you treat someone good, the feedback you get. But normally, we refer karma to the bad things that happens to us as a result of our bad deeds. So try to treat the person good. Thank you for watching. See you next time in my next video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification for it. Just like, share, and comment. Thank you. See you next time.